What's up, everyone? The risk on a Cardano investment is declining. Obviously not financial advice, but that's what we're going to get into in this article that I found. But again, if you haven't already, go ahead, smash that like, subscribe button, especially if you're new to the channel, then that way you'll know when any of my content goes live. But this article came out talking about how buyers are attempting to keep the price above 46 cents. So as you know, when Chairman Powell came out this last week and talked about the market and how inflation is still up and that the worst of everything may not be behind us yet, there was a big shock to the system. Okay, there was a big pullback across pretty much all the markets, the stock market, crypto. You're kind of seeing it everywhere. Well, the price on these sectors has finally leveled out. Okay, we got a couple days now. Obviously, yesterday was a good day as far as pricing goes. Today's kind of a little bit down, at least as of right now. Or it's just kind of trading sideways. Now, this has gone on to say in this article that if the buyers can keep the price above the moving average lines, the price will rise to the previous high of 68 cents. Conversely, if Cardano turns down from the moving average lines, the cryptocurrency will continue to fall to a low of 40 cents. So this is just obviously a little bit of technical analysis here. So let's see, above the moving average lines. So it shows you some of the key resistance zones, some of the key support zones. I mean, we kind of know what these are because we've been paying attention to Cardano pricing and stuff for a while now. 50 cents again is that line that we bounced along, couldn't really break here for quite some time. Just kind of sitting right around in there, wasn't really going one way or the other. Obviously 40 we haven't touched in a little while here. 40's been a big support zone. So the big question is, what do I see happening? Well, as of right now, and again, this is not financial advice, right now, I think there's a much higher chance that we could break to the upside than the downside. I mean, now if we have some news come out, and there's like, obviously we're supposed to find out about the new interest rate hikes this next month here. So we'll find out again where I think the whole market is going to go as a whole from there. If it comes out and it's like 50 basis points or 75 basis points, I think we're just going to kind of stay in line with, where we're at right now. I think if it's anything more than that, like if it does go full 100 points, we may see some downside sentiment. So we may end up going down and trying to touch that 40 mark. I really hope that's not the case, because I really hope obviously the market recovers. But we'll kind of have to obviously just wait and see. Now, if we do break those levels again, like it said, if we can get above the moving average, I mean, we're in a nice ascending channel right now off of that low that we hit just a few days back with Chairman Powell's words of prediction for the future. Okay. If we keep following this channel, I mean, we may go back up and start getting back into like these 50 cent levels. And then who knows, depending on how the Vassal hard fork launch goes, we may end up going, all the way back up towards that 60 cent mark, which again is a key resistance. We got rejected there last time. Yeah, that's kind of how I see things playing out. But again, obviously this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing. I mean, realistically, we're probably going to see more sideways trading. I know that's not what anybody wants to hear, but we're probably going to go sideways for a while. So we got quite a bit of time left there. There's going to be some volatility though. We're going to see some highs. We're going to see some lows. Just obviously do your own research, pay attention to some of the macroeconomic events that are happening. I try to keep you guys updated on some of those on the channel here. So obviously we'll see how it all plays out. Hopefully, hopefully it plays out good, right? We all want it to play out good. But as always, again, I always just do this for your entertainment and informative purposes. This is just obviously with stuff that I'm finding here on the internet. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. If you did like the video, go ahead, just hit a little like on the video. Appreciate anything that you guys do there. I do appreciate you taking time out of your day just to watch the videos here. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm actually going to be at a Brewers game, so I'm actually recording this obviously in the morning. So hopefully we get some good price performance during the day. And as always, I hope to see you guys in the next one.